Here we go, guys. I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a huge truck here. It's a 1985 model K10 4x4. We're gonna do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws, but first I want to take y'all on a test drive. As soon as I get done with the test drive, we'll come back, do a little walk around. I'll link the videos up. This one should be pretty fun. It's got an LS motor swap. Motor has been cammed up. This truck is a beast. It's got a 5-speed transmission in it. Let's take her for a ride. I post cars like this every single day. I got a full classic car lot at maplemotors.com, so check that out. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. We're going for a ride. We'll check out some of the interior before we take off. You can see they've changed all the gauges out. Looks pretty cool. We'll check all the gauges as we're riding down the road. Make sure everything comes up. Got a little light here. Does work. Moves around. Got the CB radio. Got to have CB radio in an old truck like this. Try the power locks. Of course, they don't work. We'll go ahead and start her up. Great sounding LS motor, 5-speed transmission. You can see the oil pressure is coming up. Our voltmeter is working as well. Water temperature, it's still cold. Truck hasn't had any time to warm up. Our gas gauge did pop up, so I assume it does work. Showing 90,000 miles on the dash here. I don't know if that's since the motor's been put in or not. I don't believe we have paperwork on that. RPM gauge does work. And listen to the sound of this thing. It's got a good sound to her. We're gonna go ahead and try the blower motor. I do not believe it has any AC. Motor's not making any difference, so I don't feel any drag, but I believe it does have heat. All right, let's keep rocking it. We're gonna take off here. I'm gonna check all the gauges. Love the way this truck sounds. Do have our seat belt here. We'll try it on. Works pretty good there. Feel like the first gear's like more of a granny low there, for sure. Real torquey. Give it a little second, let all these people come by. We got some traffic in this town today. Go ahead, man. Ooh. He had something in the bed of his truck. Just went back. All right. Granny low in the first. Hit our second gear. Our speedometer's not coming up yet. I don't guess it's hooked up. Our water temperature is coming up. It's about 140 right now. Oil pressure's pulling about 60. We do not have a horn on this truck. Steering's nice and tight. It's not pulling to the left or right. Our steering wheel's not centered up. Could be due to the lift and wheels and tires. So we're in 4th gear now. Let's go ahead and go to 5th. Only about 1,000 RPM. You could probably hit the highway and cruise at 75. Truck is a little bit bouncy with these wheels and tires. Tires are also a little noisy. You can hear them. I can hear a turn signal clicking. Brakes feel pretty good, especially for a big old truck. Getting used to this throttle and clutch. It's a bit different from a car. Was in here looking around. We're gonna check our power windows. They're tinted, going up and down pretty easy. Stick y'all off in the driver's seat. Got stuck behind the trash man today. Take off here. Gotten a little bit better at the clutch on this as I was getting used to it. Of course, that comes with any vehicle. A little whistle coming from the window here. We'll just have to give her a crack. Let a little wind in. I've grown fond of these old trucks. Brings me back to high school. I used to be addicted to these things. Our water temperature is still at 175. Oil pressure's at 55. All our gauges are looking good. Gonna have to hook up that speedometer though. Kind of cruising through the park right now. Just trying to take them on a long test drive, see if I can figure out anything else wrong with them. I've noticed sometimes you could drive something for a while before a problem would consist, so I take them as long as I can, usually going about 30 minutes from the lot doing these videos. So. Go back to 30, going a little too fast. I'm a country boy, got a four-wheel drive. Climb in my bed and I'll take you for a ride. That's what it makes me feel like, driving this thing around. In the city streets. I'll have to go out a little bit and find some country roads. But it'll get you where you want to go. Especially with this LS. Sorry about that. This ball keeps smacking the window. Especially in the bumpy ride like this. All right, I came on up here to the gas station. I wanted to put about $20 worth in it, check the gas gauge. Gas gauge is working. It came up to 3/4 of a tank right here. So that's pretty good. Just wanted to make sure, because it was right there at a 1/4 tank anyways. Our temperature's still at 180. It's about the right temperature for these motors. Big old truck like this, it's got plenty of power. Feels pretty good on takeoff here. We'll go around these guys. Tires are nice and loud. There's our 5th gear. We're barely pulling 1,000 R's right now, so I'd say you can run 70, 75 pretty easily. sometimes this view right here is a little bit better for shifting wise. See, it's going nice and straight down the road. Go ahead and pop the hood. Hood release should be right up under here. Give her a pull. Oversized aluminum radiator. It's missing a fan shroud, but I'm telling you, it's been staying 170, 180 the whole time we've been driving it. The engine sounds nice and smooth. If y'all don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. We got a full classic car lot full of muscle cars up here at maplemotors.com. Check that out. 100 detailed pictures of this truck inside out and underneath. As easy it is to get up under this truck, we're just gonna do it. Kind of take a peek under here since it's way up in the air. I appreciate y'all watching. Please give us a call, 615-822-4444. I'm gonna go ahead and do a walk around video of this truck, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, paint, body, interior. Thanks again, guys.